Integrated solar solutions, moving towards a greener future. At DSG Energy, we are leading the charge in providing renewable energy solutions with a primary focus on solar energy. Through our extensive network of global technology partners, we bring you state-of-the-art technologies to power your transition to a sustainable future. Our turnkey solar solutions cater to industrial, commercial, domestic and agriculture segments. Explore the comprehensive services offered by DSG, including solar monitoring solutions, engineering consultancy, water management and treatment, and wind energy solutions. Dive into our blog section where we share insightful project case studies and articles. Engage with us by sharing your contact details for a free consultation with our experts. Read testimonials from our satisfied clients, showcasing the quality and reliability of our services. Interested in learning more? Fill out the form to connect with our team or contact us directly. Explore our company profile to understand why DSG is your ideal partner in the transition to renewable energy. Delve into our project portfolio to witness our successful installations across different sectors. Meet our esteemed CEO, Mr. Daniel Siddiqui, and discover why DSG is the right choice for your energy needs. Check out our latest job openings and join us in making a difference. Experience the DSG wow with testimonials from our valued clients. Explore our media tab from glimpses of our corporate events, webinars, and social media activities. Don't hesitate to contact us. Fill out the form, call us directly, or connect with us via WhatsApp 03111 374 374. Together, let's go green with DSG Energy.